Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a natural Viagra drink at home. This recipe is super effective, most especially for men that are suffering from low libido. This recipe is more effective than Viagra tablet. So if you are one of those people that uses Viagra tablet, please stop it. Try this recipe. It is super duper effective. Okay, use this recipe and thank me later. Without further say or do, let's get right into the video. The first ingredients we are going to be working with in this video is watermelon. This recipe actually required 3 ingredients. This drink, guys, it is super effective. It will make you strong down there. It will make you more sweeter, and it will give you that energy you need for that work. I hope you understand. Okay, this drink will actually make you go from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes man. It will make you very strong. It will make you a man in your house. It will make you a king. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This drink is very effective, very healthy and nutritious. This drink is very good for men and women that are suffering from low libido, and also men that are suffering from premature ejaculation. This recipe works like fire. You guys should go try it out and come back and tell me how it works in the comment section. Okay, if you are watching this video up to this point, please do well by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and yeah, share this video. So guys, this is what the Viagra drink is looking like. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope this video is helpful. This drink is super effective, most especially for men with premature ejaculation and low libido. This drink is good for men and women. Like I said earlier, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.